Okay, today I'm going to do a quick review of the latest saber I've done. Actually, I would like to introduce the function of the saber rather than the saber itself. Now this one is, as you can see, there's a lot of switches here. So there's a red, green and blue LED in this one, plus a sound card as well. Okay, so this gives you basically 7 color options. The first one is green, okay, and then we have red, and then we have blue. Of course, blue plus red, then we have purple. Blue plus green, we have cyan, a very light kind of blue, and of course red plus green, we have yellow color. And you notice all the colors are all very bright. And if we add all the 3 LEDs together, then we have white. Okay. So besides this, I also have a sound. And besides the sound, you see behind here, I've also added some LED accent lights. So if you were to hit this, see the LED changes color. Now it's purple, now it's blue, now it's red, purple again, and then blue. So there's also 3 different colors for the accent LED. Okay, so now we have managed to get 3 colors, 7 colors actually altogether into the saber, plus sound, and also LED, accent LED here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you a closer look at the saber itself. Okay, this is the latest saber that I've just made just now. Okay, so this is the 4 switches, wood finish. Okay, this is the pommel with the sound hole. Okay, and behind here you can see the accent LED light. Okay, so that's the close-up look of the saber that I just made just now. Okay, thank you.